Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to install the LinkedIn app on your laptop. This is a great way to access LinkedIn directly from your desktop without having to open your browser every time, giving you faster access to your professional network. First, you'll want to open your browser and navigate to linkedin.com. Once the page loads, make sure you're logged into your LinkedIn account so everything syncs properly. Now look towards the upper right corner of your browser window. You'll see three dots stacked vertically. This is your browser menu. Go ahead and click on those three dots to open up a drop-down menu with various options. From the menu that appears, you'll need to find the option that says Cast, Save, and Share. This section contains all the sharing and saving features your browser offers. Click on Cast, Save, and Share to expand it and reveal more options. This is where you'll find the tool that allows you to turn websites into standalone apps on your computer. In the expanded menu, look for the option labeled Install Page as App. This feature essentially creates a shortcut that opens LinkedIn in its own window, separate from your regular browser tabs. It makes LinkedIn feel more like a native application on your laptop. Click on Install Page as App to proceed with the installation. A small dialog box will pop up on your screen. Here you'll see a field where you can input a name for the app. By default, it might already say LinkedIn, but you can customize this to whatever you prefer. Maybe you want to call it LinkedIn Pro or just keep it as LinkedIn. Once you've decided on a name, click the Install button to finalize the process. The installation happens almost instantly. You'll notice that LinkedIn now appears as a separate app icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder, depending on your operating system. This means you can now open LinkedIn just like any other program on your laptop, without needing to navigate through your browser. And that's it. You've successfully installed the LinkedIn app on your laptop. Now you have quick, convenient access to your professional network right from your desktop. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.